Before we get into the video, guys, this video is again made possible by Games Tower. Games Tower is your #1 card shop in Luxembourg. At Games Tower you can get everything from Yu-Gi-Oh! To Pokemon, to Dragon Ball, to Magic. All your favorite card games, they have it. They have the binders, sleeves, everything you need. They also have board games and other cool stuff, so be sure to check them out. I'll leave their opening hours, address, and social media down in the description, so go check them out and tell them Strong Bean sent you. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, it's your boy Strong Bean here and welcome to another Pokemon opening. And like you saw in the intro, it's again sponsored by Games Tower, so shout out to them. Before we get into this video, guys, be sure to leave a like, share this video, subscribe, and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video. So let's get into this Shilling Rain display / booster box opening. I'm very excited for this, and let's just hope for some amazing pulls and let's go. We got 36 packs, of course. Shilling Rain just came out, guys. Let me know down in the comments what you got, if you managed to get your hands on some packs. So I'm gonna take one side out and let's start with that side and we'll go from there. The first pack of this booster display, I'm very excited. Once again, shout out to Games Tower for making this video possible. This wouldn't be possible without them, so we got 4 cards from the back, of course. Double tap for good luck to start it off and let's go. So we got a Fire Energy, got a Kakuna, a Falafi, Hatram, Spheal, Venipede, got a Furfru, Grand Farfetch, Sneasel, a Melanie reverse, and we got a Survivor. Let's go straight to the second. So like I said, I got 36 packs in here, so gonna be here quite some time, so make yourself comfortable and get some popcorn, get something to drink. It's gonna be quite alright. I'll try to cut it short, like as short as I possibly can, and I'll go quickly through them, like through the comments and stuff like that. A reverse score bunny and a hollow Grappler. There we go. Our first hollow of the day. Got Articuno on the front. Imagine pulling an Articuno alternative artwork. Like the alternative artworks are the chase cards in this set, so if you can pull at least one of those in here, like no matter which one it is, it's a win. So fingers crossed that we can actually pull an alternative artwork. I think the most value wise, I think the most expensive one is Galarian Moltres. I think that's around 250 or something. I don't know if Shadow Rider is more, could be, but we'll see. I'll see afterwards. Hey Karen. Crab Roller, Spheal, Venipede, got Furfru again, Garden Farfetch, got a reverse Slurpuff. And there we go! I was just talking about it! A alternative artwork Galarian Slowking V. There you go! We actually pulled an alternative artwork and it's Galarian Slowking. There you go! Awesome! That was fast. That's like what, 4th pack maybe? So let's just keep going. Let's keep them coming. I don't even is it possible to pull 2 from a box? I don't think it is. I think it shouldn't be, but who knows, we'll see. Maybe we if imagine we pull a second alternative artwork in this box, how insane that would be. Got Venipede again, Passimian, and yo, we just pulled the alternative artwork and now we go ahead and pull the normal V one. That's cool. So I'm very excited for this. Shilling Rain is an awesome set. There's plenty of cool cards that you can get in these. So yeah, let's try to get them all. Grookey, Porygon, Gauntlet, Crop Roller, Doctor, and then Hollow Inteleon. It's super hot, guys. Whew. And the problem, I was thinking about doing this in my basement or something, because it's cooler there. But problem is I record my face cam with my computer, and yeah, I'm not moving my computer. So yeah, gotta go through it. That's what you get for being a YouTuber during summer. Rain. That's what you get. And like these past few years in Luxembourg has been hot as fuck. Like last year was hot, and apparently this year is gonna be even hotter. So that's an F. Like, I'm Portuguese and all. Like that's this stereotype that we Portuguese, like, we love the hot and stuff because we come from a country that has like the ocean and like a coast and everything. But no, I don't like the hot. I prefer cold. But I love cold. Okay, we're halfway through the first half. Halfway through the first half. Fog Crystal, Rockruff, Mareep, Grookey, Porygon, Gauntlet, Tapu Fini. Haven't seen that one yet. Okay, so like I said, guys, if you manage to get your hand on Showing Rain, let me know down in the comments what you pulled. And if you managed to pull one of the alternative artworks. And let me also know what's your Chase card, like, or like your Chase alternative artwork. Like for me, it's the Zapdos, like the Roadrunner. Like I love the the artwork on that one, and that's my Chase card for Showing Rain. Like as soon as I get the Roadrunner, like I think I'm basically done. It was the same with Battle Styles. My Chase card in Battle Styles was the Sleeping Despotar, the Sleeping Tyranitar, sorry, Despotar is in German. The Sleeping Tyranitar, and I got that from my very first ETB of Battle Styles. So from there on, like I turned back a bit. Hey, that's the Brissy V. Like I stepped back a bit with Battle Styles after that because like I had my Chase card, so why waste more money? Like all the other like major cards that I actually wanted as well. Like I just traded them from other people. So like Battle Style was very good for me. Like I got my Chase card right off the bat, so I didn't have to spend like huge amounts of money on Battle Styles to try to get the Tyranitar, because the Tyranitar is still a 100 euro card. Like 90 to 100. It's insane. And I got a Cinderace Hollow. Okay. So next pack. Got a Darkness Energy, Lucky Energy, K-Twin, Sphere. I hope we can pull like Karen. I'd love to pull Karen. I don't know why. Coughing and Scolipede. Okay. Here's another code. You should redeem that on the game, guys. They should be active by now, so go quick, get yourself my codes and redeem them. Get yourself some cards. Lapras, Swirlix, Shaman, and Volrain again. So we got 3 packs left on this side, and then we move over to the other side. So we already pulled an alternative artwork, which is very nice, but that's pretty much it for like big pulls. Like we still we pulled 2 V cards, 2 normal Vs, and a alternative artwork V. So we should be getting some more awesome pulls. And there you go, got the VMAX Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX. What? Okay, hold on. The Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX. There you go. That's a beautiful looking card. I also gotta be careful like with the going crazy because of a card, because I'm recording this at 11 at night. So I couldn't wait, guys. I just got home with the booster box and I was like, okay, I could either do this tomorrow or now. And like I started thinking like I got a very busy day tomorrow. Like I had to do it in the morning. Like I had to wake up at like 8 or 9 a.m. do the video. And that would be like the only possibility to do it tomorrow. So I was like, nah, I want to sleep because it's going to be a long day. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it now. We're going to do it now and like just open it. Let's get this through. Let's pull some amazing cards. Got Honey, Spiral, Energy, Spiral, Gare, and Farfetch. Dearly. Got it. Diglett. Got a Reverse Coughing, Wheezing, and it's a Viper. So that was the first half. Let's get to the other half of the booster box. Look at this, this is beautiful. Like, opening packs is an addiction. Like, tell me what you want, but opening packs is simply an addiction. Like, the feeling, the satisfying feeling of opening a pack, it's just awesome. I don't know why. I know I'm being weird right now, but like, it's 11 at night, it's hot, and yeah, just fight gloves. Cast form, another cast form, Yamask, Swirlix, Kecleon, and another Kecleon. What the fuck? Okay, so second pack of this side. We should be getting some more pulls, hopefully. We got 2 Vs, a VMAX, a alternative artwork. So, like, for alternative artworks, we won't pull anything else. Like, we won't pull a second one. Like, it is not possible to do. So, but we should be, like, I hope we get at least like 1 full art trainer still, and maybe a rainbow rare. That'd be pretty nice, or even a gold rare. But like, because I got the alternative art rare, I don't think that can be a gold rare. So, but I think like a trainer should be in there. I hope so. And if, I hope it's Karen. I want to pull Karen, just because it's Karen. But Vesta, Cast Form, Rainy Form, got Flannery, or her would be insane. Yo, there you go, got another V, a Volcanion V. Here it is, that's the one I want, that's the Pokemon I want. I want Zapdos. The Roadrunner, especially the alternative artwork. That's just the art. I love that artwork. It's really the Roadrunner. Okay, Shuppets, Scorbunny, Diglett, NK, Dugtrio, and then Hatterene. There you go. Okay, come on, give me something big. Like, I mean big. Steel, Venipede, Purflu, Larvesta, and Elizing. Come on. That's Energy, Twacky, Porygon, Impact Energy, Aaron, Hatina, Cast Form, Rainy Form, Clobbopus, Golett, Melamar, and Banette. Okay. Got Psychic Energy, got a Celio, Brawly. That would also be a cool trainer to pull. Blitzler, Cupfu, I love Cupfu. Scorbunny, Diglett, a Fire Resistant Gloves, and a Sawsbuck. Buck. There you go, another code for you. 4 cards on the back. Let's go. Fire Energy. So does that mean we're gonna get Flannery? Flannery would be an awesome pull as well. Scorbunny, Grookey, Crabrawler, and an Aggron. Okay, got a Fighting Energy, Kirlia, Seabolt, Aquinghorn, Clobbopus, Weedle, Guardian Slowpoke, Quillfish, Blitzler, Porygon, and a Scolipede. Yo! Come on, give me something. Give me a trainer, a rainbow, another VMAX maybe? Like what VMAX? Like Celebi VMAX? That'd be pretty cool. Got Lightning Energy, got Flannery, Haunter, Clara, Swirlix, Rockruff, Mareep, Grookey, yep, Porygon, Snorunt, and a Hollow Lycanroc. Okay, Articuno on the front. Can Articuno be in the pack, maybe? I'd love to have an Articuno, Galarian, Blitzler, Lapras, Bone Sweets, Ralts, Porygon 2, and a Volcarona. Shout out to Ian Hart. Okay, so... Got a few more packs left. Got plenty of chances still. Got an Old Cemetery, a Flannery, an Agata, Mareep, Clobbopus, Weedle, Guardian Slowpoke, Quillfish, Gengar, and there we go! We actually pulled Brawly! That's awesome! Brawly looks amazing! Look at that! So we got 7 packs left. Maybe still something. Maybe a rainbow rare would be pretty nice, like cherry on top. Got the we already saw it. Like there is a V in here. Like I saw it, like, and I think you also saw it. There's a V in here, so yo, that's Galarian Articuno V. That's awesome. That's a pretty decent box so far. Like I can't complain. Other water energy, the Melanie, Crabominable, Snorlax, Crab Roller, Galarian Slowpoke, Snover, Venipede, Flannery, and the Galarian Zapdos! There you go! So we only have Moltres left to pull. That's awesome. Galarian Zapdos. Roadrunner. So, let's finish this off big, guys. After we got 4 more packs. And then we're done with the booster box for Shilling Rain. And I think this will be the only booster box I will be opening. Maybe I won't like say definitely that I won't open more. But like for now, like at this stage, I think this is the only booster box I'm gonna open. Because like I already said in a few videos, guys, like at the moment I don't have a job. I lost my job last year, so it's very difficult to, at the moment, money, and that's why I love having the sponsors like GameStar that make these videos possible. And like because without like sponsors like GameStar, I couldn't do like keep up with the content, and that would be pretty bad for the channel. So that's pretty awesome. For now, I don't see myself opening another box of tips because I can't buy one. So yeah. Harvester, Delibird, Deerling, Aaron, Haunter, and a Galarian Surface. So 2 packs left. Can we have one more pull, please? There you go. Got a code for you. Got a Fighting Energy, Weeding Gloves, Karen's Convictions, Teeny, Coughing, Galarian Yamask, Snover, Cast Form, Ralts, Fog Crystal, and let's go. The final pack of the day. Can it be something? Fire Resistant Gloves, Lairon, Peony, Heracross, Ralts, Quillfish, Cast Form, Weedle, Spiritomb, and an Aggron to finish it off. We got the Galarian Zapdos V, got Galarian Articuno V, got Volcanion, Blissey, and Galarian Slowking V. Next up, we got the Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX. There you go, pretty awesome. Then we got the Trainer Brawly, looking very cool. And then last but not least, we actually managed to pull an alternative artwork, and that is none other than the Galarian Slowking V, looking pretty cool. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Like always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And again, shout out to GameStar for sponsoring and making this video possible. Turn on your notifications so don't miss it. See you next time. Bye.